In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Lovable with GitHub. So open up Lovable and log into your Lovable account. And then the same with GitHub, just go to GitHub and make sure you're logged into your GitHub account as well. So once that's done, so what we're going to do here is on your Lovable here. So go to your Lovable, and once you're logged in, click on your profile here, which is on your top right there. Click on it. And then from there, select settings here. Click on settings. And when you get to settings here, on your left side menu here, under integrations, you will see GitHub here. So simply select on GitHub. So click on it. And then now it's going to ask you for connection. So it will say add your GitHub account. So all you have to do is hit on connect GitHub. So when you click on connect GitHub, this will now authorize your GitHub account. Since you already have it open on the same window there, so it should normally automatically get authorized and be connected. And that's basically pretty much it is. So if you get this this dialog box here which is asking for permission, so you can simply choose authorize Lovable. If it's asking for authorization, click on authorize Lovable, and once you have authorized it, and that's it, your GitHub will now be connected to your Lovable. And there you go, done. So once connected, you can see your GitHub name here, so next to it, so which means it's now connected.